What is the package, sir? Core Java is the package name. Have you observed here folder created? What is the class name sample? Where observed? Outside location you can check. Sir, where is our workspace? D drive in WS. Where is our workspace? 4th September 9:30 AM. See, Selenium automation folders only. Under SRC, what is the first folder? Core Java. So here, first thing you know about first package. This is the first thing we should have awareness. Package. So what is the package? One folder. Under SRC folder. Package contains classes. Now immediate question, what is a class? What is the class? So observe, class is nothing but this is one classroom. Students are available there. Na? This is also one classroom. Now observe carefully. Sir, suppose if you want to construct a building or if you want to construct a TV, anything you can take simple example. TV. So once I want to construct implement TV means one design documentation required. Suppose you want to construct a building, one plan is required. Engineer will give the plan, blueprint. Same TV also, one plan is required. Or we can call it as a blueprint also. So with that blueprint plan, we can design n number of TVs. Sir, you can take Samsung one model. The model TV should be same in Andhra, in Telangana, and UP, Madhya Pradesh, anywhere. That model should be same only. For all the TVs, how many plans are there? Only one plan, one blueprint only. By using the blueprint, you can take a number of rows. So, sir, what is the class? Carefully observe. The plan or blueprint is nothing but a one class. Normal technical definition is collection of methods and variables is called as a one class. That is also okay. But here, the plan and blueprint design is nothing but a one class. Based on the class, physical existence TV. TV is a one object. So blueprint is a one class. Remember, TV is a one object which is physically available. That is called as one object. The object is maybe laptop. The object is mouse, keyboard, anything. That is called as a one object which is physically available. It is called as a one object. Sir, if you want to operate TV, something is required na remote. That remote is nothing but a reference variable, which is pointing to TV. So plan or blueprint is called as a one class. Based on the class, I can take a number of physical existences that is called as an object. One reference variable is pointing to the TV, remote. That is called as one reference variable. Getting clarity? So what is the class? Class is nothing but a plan or blueprint or design is called as a class. What is the object? The physical existence of a class is nothing but an object. Because of the plan, only objects will come. For a class, we can create n number of objects. Because one blueprint, I can develop 100 TVs. I can manufacture 200 TVs, 1000 TVs, my wish. For a class, we can create any number of objects. Fourth one, what is the reference variable? Sir, here, how many of you know Java? I don't know. I will ask one question here. In this statement, okay, see the statement and anyone tell S equal to new sample, S is sample. In this line number 14, what is object? Anyone tell? If you don't know, no problem. Who is having Java knowledge, you can tell. What is the object in that line? Arena. Yes. Okay. Okay. Remaining guys. Okay. Okay. Sir, who are telling S is object? That is excellent. Very good. Wrong answer. Yes. S is a reference variable, not a object, sir. Not only you. 90% students, if anybody asking the question, they will tell S is object, object. No. In this statement, entire statement, new sample, new is a one keyword, sample is the class name. Sir, it is called as a object. New sample is a object. New means new is a keyword. What is S? S is a just a reference variable which is pointing to my object. Because, sir, whenever new sample means observe, it will create one object, one physical existence. Yes, this is object, which is pointing to that. S is pointing to my object. So S is a reference variable, sir. Don't fill that class. This is internally what is happening. But what is sample? Sample is a class name. That is the clarity. Because whenever I'm asking this question, 90% students, everyone telling S is object, S is object. No, no, no. New sample means one physical object is created. My S is pointing to that object. S is reference variable. Sample is the class name. New sample is the object. Getting clarity? So don't tell S is object. Now see, what is a reference variable? The variable which can be used to refer an object is called as a reference variable. So example, this statement. So in this statement, sir, sample, what is the sample? See here, sample is a class name. If you want to create object, see here, directly I'm creating new sample, object is created. Whenever object is created, I want to give a reference variable, S here. What is the type of S? Class name, sample. This is the best example. So in this entire statement, new sample is the object. So one object is created. But which is pointing to that? S is pointing to my object. Yes, S is pointing to the object. That's why S is a reference variable. This is one object. Present there is no values. How to assign values, all those things we will see one by one, one by one. So in entire statement, that is a object, reference variable, and the class. And what is this fourth one? Public static void main. What is this? It is nothing but main method which is responsible for execution. Yes. Whenever you can run the program, JVM is looking to the main method only. Sir, present object is not required for me. Just I am using system.out.println. Just I am printing. Welcome to Selenium classes. Save and just run it. Yes, in the console I'm getting output. Welcome to Selenium class. That is simple. I'm not writing any program. Just I'm writing here sample class. Core Java is a package name. Main method. I am printing some statement. Hi, welcome to the Selenium classes. Now, there is a basic part about a class object and all this. So Java is a object-oriented programming language. So generally, everyone you can tell class means collection of variables and methods. Suppose you can take any class A. Yes, class name should be any name, no problem. So here I can contain variables and behaviors. Nothing but in methods. In your easy understandable purpose, methods. Variables and methods. If you want to declare any variable, so do you know in the Java or any programming language some data types are there? Data types like integer, boolean, string, float, means what type of data we are storing, that is called as a data type. So Java supported static data types. Static data type means first we can declare the data type. Suppose I am declaring int a. What is the meaning? A is a variable, the type is integer. A should be accepted only integers only. Means I can store A equal to 10, or I can store A equal to 20, or I can store A equal to 30. Any decimal values you can store. By mistake, if you can store A equal to 1.23, JVM will give left and right. Because what is the type of A? Integer. So these types are called as static data types. Being a programmer, first I decided the type of A is integer. Then how you can store these values? No chance. But Python is there. Python, there is no data types. No, nothing. Runtime data will be decided. If I'm given equal to 23, A is integer. If I'm given equal to 23.4, float. So runtime data type will be decided. That's why Python is called as a dynamically typed programming. Java is called as a statically typed programming language. Sir, here how many types of variables are there? How many types of variables are there? 3 types of variables are there. Yes. Instance variable. Sir, I will take separate heading. Types of variables. Very good. One more. Instance variables, static variables, local variables. Yes, maximum everyone knows about all these concepts. Well, who is having Java, they know about all these things. But who is not having idea about Java, now we can concentrate. Okay. So 3 types of variables are available there: instance variable, static variable, and local variable. Sir, now my question is, if I want to declare any variable, can I go for instance? static or local. How can I decide it? How can I decide it? Sir, you can declare this variable as an instance, this variable as a static, this variable as a local. Like that, how we can decide it? Suppose, sir, there is one class is there. Class student is there. Sorry, I will give you example. Then you can tell Pravina. Student class is there. Sir, student means generally student number. Student number, integer. Next to student name. Student contains, everyone contains name. Student contains class, college name. Now I am giving 3 variables. Now you can tell based on the scope. Student number, student name, college name. Which variable can I go for instance? Which variable can I go for static? Which variable can I go for local? Three variables I am given, 3 types I am telling. Student number, student name, college name. Integer for static. Channels static. What channels? SVM. Sir, here 3 variables are there: student number, student name, CNAME. How to decide the instance static? Okay. College name instance. No. I will give clarity. Observe carefully. Now you can decide. Okay. Sir, when I can go for instance means the value of the variable changes from object to object. Sir, what is the class? Student is the class. So suppose in this class some 13 to 15 students are available. Okay. So tomorrow I am creating object. How to create the object? New student. New is the keyword. Student object will be created. So in the class, suppose 4 students are there. Assume 4 or 5 or 10 students are available. They assume that. First one our object is created. Yes. One student. Second object created. Another student. Third object created. Another student. Fourth object created. Another student. Fifth object. So on 10 students are there. Assume that 10 students are there. Now my requirement is, sir, each student contains student number and name. Pakka. Yes or no? S1. Sir, S2. Sir, S3. Next is the student 4, student 5, student 6. 6 students are missing. Sir, every student number name is compulsory. Sir, first student 101. What is the name of the student? Sunny. Second student number will be changes or not changes? Student name Bunny. Third student number will be changes, name will be changes, Winnie. Next student 104, Chinni. One not 5. Next student Pinni. Another student. One more student is there. 106. Name is Funny. Sir, have you observed here? Every object, the value of the variable changes. Student number, name. So, what is instance variable means? The value of the variable changes object, 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 object. Then you can go for instance variable. So here, whatever instance variables compulsory, student number and student name, pakka you can do instance variables, because object to object the value of the variable changes. Student number name changes, number name changes. That's your instance variable. Sir, all the 10 students belonging to the only one institute, Durgasoft. So Durgasoft is the college. See, student 1 is belonging to the Durgasoft. Student 2 is belonging to the Durgasoft. Student 3 is also belonging to the Durgasoft. Fourth student also Durgasoft. Fifth one also Durgasoft. Sixth one also Durgasoft. So only one copy I can share it to all objects. Then I can go for static. So college name Pakka you can give as a static variable, because for all objects only one copy I can share. That type of variable is called as a static variable. Instance variables, object to object, object to object, value of the variable changes. Then I can go for instance. Sir, getting clarity? Thoda. I will use simple example. Now my question is, sir, assume that suppose if it is a online class, that's why we are not saying you. Assume if it is offline class. At the offline class, in front of me, there are a number of students are there. 650 to 60 around students are there. You can take chair. Chair is one variable considered. Okay. Sir, chair is a instance variable, a static variable. Consider if it is an offline class. Suppose in your college only. When you can go to the college, you have sit in the chairs. In the institute also, you can sit in chairs. Chair can go for instance or static. Instance variable, not a static. Sharath, why static means? Sharath, all the students are sitting in one chair. Sharath is telling static, and one more is telling static. Lakshmi telling static. Now my question is, who are telling static? Give me a response. Sharath, if all students having only one chair, no kada. So each and every student have their own chair or not? So object to object, chair will be changes, not changes. Yes. So chair is instance. Sharath, book. Lakshmi, book is instance or static? Yes. Book. And pen. Yes, very good. Book is also instance only, because every student have separate book. Every student have separate pen. See, that's what I'm telling now. Each and every student have separate chair, separate book, separate pen. So chair is instance, book is instance, pen is instance. Now my question is, projector, instance or static? Very good. Trainer, very good. Because of, sir, even 100 students, 300 students, only one projector is there. One copy I can share to all objects, static. Even 100 students, only one trainer. Trainer is also called as a static. Getting clarity? Thoda. So object to object, the value of the variable changes means compulsory you have to declare as an instance variable only. Best example I am giving: chair, book, pen, instance variables, because every student have separate chair, every student have separate book, their own book, every student have separate pen. But all the students having only one projector, all the students have only one trainer only. That's why projector, trainer, all these are only static variables. Local, I will tell, sir. Now see the theoretical concept. With example, I will give example. Also, I will give the examples. Okay, sir. See, that's why instance variable is also called as a object level, because object value changes, but static variable class level. What is the local? Sir, I will tell. It is a method level. Sir, what is the method? Present, I don't know. We don't know the method. That's why we are not discussing. I will tell. What is the method? What is the constructor? That concept will come soon. Now see. So instance variable is also called as a object level. Static variable is called as a class level. Local variable is called as a method level. Now deleting all these functions. First instance variable. If the value of a variable different from object to object, such a type of variable instance or object level variables. Instance variables declared within the class. For every object, a separate copy of instance variables will be created. So that is the first story. So types of variables. You may take these running notes. Later on, I will share the material. 3 variables. First, instance variable. Now, second category, static. If the value of the variable is not varied from object to object, then it is not recommended to declare that variable as instance variable, because for every object copy will be changed. Then how we can declare it as a static variable? We can declare those variables as static. Class level with static modifier. Static is a keyword. That's why these are called as a class level of static variables. Sir, here only one copy. Just I'm telling you Durga Soft. All students belong to Durga Soft only. Only one copy of the static variable will be created, and that copy will be shared. By all the objects that class, and that is called as a static variable story. Local variable. Sometimes to meet the temporary requirements, we can declare a variable inside the method. Now, what is a method in your mind? You have thought. Yes, we will discuss that also. Or in a block, or in a constructor. Those are called as a local variables. So next class I will tell that method, constructor, differences, everything. Okay, don't bother about that. No, see. I will write the program. I will write program. Try to hunger. Once theory part completed, I will write the example. Now I am coming to the example only. Sir, now observe here. I want to take a class. Right click on the core Java. Go to the new. Go to the class. Sir, what is the class name? Just I am telling the student class we can take generally. Yes. Sir, class is nothing but a blueprint. Sir, whenever class is there, a number of students are there. The students may be 10, 20, 40 number of students are available there. Okay? Now see. Where is the student class? Yes, okay. That is the default method I am getting because Shrutika, whenever if I run the program, okay, JVM is looking for the execute. Suppose 100 lines of the code, where JVM will run the method? From the main method only it is running. That is the by default method internal in the JVM. Public is the access modifier. Static is one modifier. Static means I will tell method. Two methods are there, non-static and static methods. Void means it does not return anything. Main is the name. They are given main name by default name. String it is a array. Args is the one way. This is to accept the command line arguments. Okay, now public is a access modifier. Because we don't know about modifiers, I will tell that one. Static also. Methods, two types are there, static method, non-static method. It is a static method. Void means return type, it does not return anything. Main is the, they given the name. String brackets mean it is a declaration. Args is one variable. These are accepting the command line arguments. That is the default method. Because suppose, sir, here if I am writing the some code within the class, is it considered? Is it executed by JVM? Suppose if I'm written here system.out.println and something code I am written. Yes, the code can't be compiled. Only Java will run in the main method only. That's why main is important. Okay, now observe. What happened to my Eclipse? 1 second. It is stucking. So now see, student is the class name. Okay, yes. Sir, what I'm telling? Variables 3: student number, student name, and college name. Sir, first I'm taking as a student number. What type? Integer. General student numbers are integer. Student name. College name. College name compulsory. Static. So static is the keyword. String college name equal to Durgasoft. Yes. 3 variables are declared. So C name is a static. S name, S number is the instance variables. So here present you don't know about the constructor. Observe. In the next class I will tell, tomorrow class constructor method differences. So how to declare a constructor? Class name only. How many values contains? String, yes name and s number. Yes, string of, observe, I will tell one day. String of yes name and int of s number. So this is called as a constructor. So what is a constructor? We don't know present. I will tell that one. What is the constructor? What is the method? What is the difference between all these? Present today topic only types of variables only. S name and s number. Now, how to initialize? In the Java, there is a one keyword is there. My Eclipse is talking. 1 second, it's talking, not working properly. Second. 1 second. Net is gone. That's why voice is and 1 second. No, sir, see. S name is. So this dot s name equal to s name. What is the this? What is that? This. This is one keyword which is pointing to the current class object. This is a keyword which is pointing to current class object. This dot. What happened to the Eclipse? S number equal to S. Sir, what it is first of all? Number 9, 10, 11, and 12. What all those? Okay, observe carefully. Sir, student is a one constructor. It is a. Sir, what is the purpose of constructor? Means mainly to initialize the instance variable. Sir, when it will execute? Observe. Tomorrow I am creating object. How to create object? New student. Sir, student contains how many variables? Two variables, s name and s number. String means compulsory, you can give double quotes. Sir, my student is Sunny. Okay, how eternal it is working, I will tell. See, student number is 100, I am taking. Sir, observe. First, if I run the program, how internal it is working. Okay. So whenever object is created, one reference variable is required. Student, one first student. But what is the type of that? Whenever declaring variable compulsory, can you go type? The type is class name student. So when I run this program, first Java won't consider line number 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. No, it won't consider. Cursor jump to the public static void mean new student. So how internally means one object is created. A object will be created. What is the reference variable of this? Yes, sir. Objects are that one. See carefully observe. Sir, whenever object is cursor jump to the constructor execution. Sir, my object contains two references. One is this by default. Every object pointing to the only. Sir, how many values are there? Sunny and 100. Sunny will be goes as a here. 100 will goes to s number. This dot s name. This is pointing to my object. Internally, s name equal to sun. This dot s number equal to 100. That is the mean. So one object created s. I am passing two values. Sunny and 100 goes to there. This is pointing to current class object always. Tomorrow, if I created one more, assume that. Suppose in the here, I am created one more. So student s2 equal to new student of first value Bunny, comma 101. What is the meaning? Oh, I'm creating one more object. Okay, take the second object. What is the reference variable? Yes, it will. And always now this is pointing current class object only. Now this time Bunny will goes to the S name, 101 goes to here. This dot S name. Oh, I am initializing value name equal to Bunny. This dot S number. Okay, S number is 1. Like that value should be initialized. Sir, when an object created, constructor will be executed every time. You can create 100 objects. 100 times the constructor will be executed. If you want to take one more, no, yes, you can take one more. New student. New student contain again 2 arguments. Yes, name. String, so but double quotes. Bunny. What is the student name? And 101 I want. S number is 1. Now I want to give yes. Oh. What is the typo? Class name only. Sir, here 2 students are there, S1 and S2. Have you observed? I want to print that details. How to get the details? S1 S number, S1 dot S name, and S1 dot system dot out dot println. S1, sir, dot all values will come. See, when I'm clicking on that, yes, student number, integer available in the student class. So here you will get student one day. System dot println S1 dot yes. S name is a one variable. Which variable? Instance variable. Sir, whenever dot it is coming S name. Sir, C name is the S keyword, static. No. One second. System dot out dot println again S1 dot C name. Dot C name. Sir, see, C name is a static. S symbol is then a static variable. So if you run the program, S1, who is S1? 100. What is the S1 college name is Durga Sapna. S2, yes, number name will be changed, but college name never. Here, yes, due to S2, yes. Have you observed? S1 S number name changes, S2 S number name changes, but college name is same. So that's why S name I declared as an instance. College name one copy shared to all objects, static I'm declaring. So just to save the program, right click on the program, run as Java application. Then see in the output console. The console level, yes, 100. Sunny, Durga Sahib. 101, Bunny, Durga Sahib. Tomorrow, 102, Chinni, Durga Sahib. 103, Winnie, Durga Sahib. So, every object value changes. That's why those are instance and object level. For every object, already Durga Sahib only. Sir, construct not completed. I will tell complete details about what is the constructor and what is the method, how many types of methods are there, what is the major at the time of interview difference between the method and constructor. They will ask. Until that's the present situation, just to only understand the purpose, I declared one constructor and I'm initializing variables. Here, just I'm discussing only types variable story only. Instance variable, static variable, local variable. Suresh, getting clarity now. Everyone, see the program. So that is the basic idea about types of variable story. Next class we will see about what is a constructor first of all. Why we go for constructor? What is a method? How many types of methods are there? What is the difference between constructor and a method? Those things we will discuss in our next session. That is Monday. After that, we will discuss about interface, abstract class, concrete class. Once it is done, I will start the WebDriver programs. Okay, everyone. Thank you, Swarupa. Any Eclipse is okay, Sharath. In Eclipse, no problem. Anything okay. Any Eclipse okay. On Eclipse, different versions are there. Oxygen, Photon, Neon, Mars. Any number of version, no problem. Anything is okay. No problem in the Eclipse. Thank you, Sai. So if you have any doubt, mail me. I will check it. What are the problem is there, and I will resolve it.